Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install and set up a VPN app called Bottle VPN. This app is available on the Google Play Store and is designed to provide you with a fast, stable, and secure internet connection. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That way, you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Bottle VPN. When the app appears, check the name and icon carefully so you select the correct one. Step 2. Tap on the app, then press install. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the app. Step 3. On the home screen, you'll need to do a few quick setup steps. First, tap the drop-down menu for network options. In the search bar, type UDP. If your country supports UDP, select it. If not, you can choose another option from the list that works for your region. For this tutorial, we'll select all country UDP, which is compatible across multiple regions. Step 4. Next, pick a server location. Tap on the server list box. From the available options, choose the server that best matches your location for the most stable connection. Step 5. Finally, to start your secure connection, tap the Start button. As you can see, the app connects successfully and is now providing a secure browsing session. And that's it. You've successfully set up and connected Bottle VPN on your device. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.